Alright, good day. Today I'm going to show you how to use flash fill. Flash fill is very awesome way of doing things in Excel. So let's say you want to actually add these two names together. It's just like concatenation. You can actually do that using flash fill. So you don't have to worry about using the formula called concatenation. All you just have to do is actually type it out, like use you can just like type this out in the correct format, give it a space and have this, then hit enter. When you type James, it's going to come up with what? When you type James, make sure you type with capital letter to give it the first one, then hit enter. You've just got it without doing any concatenation, so you've had everything right here. So the next one is actually you are to actually get the first name and the last name out of this one that are together. So what you need to do is very easy. You just type, then hit enter. When you type James, everything will just come up and hit enter. That is what you have to do. And the next one is going to be the last name, which is this. Okay, hit enter, and when you type this, you have everything come out. You hit enter, you've just gotten everything the way it should be. So you see how easy it is to flash fill. Now the next one in this very corner is giving everybody, like you have some group of workers and you want to actually create email for them. So you can actually create email with your name using this very flash fill format. You can just say you share at maybe Gmail at gmail.com. Hit enter. We now type James. It's going to give every other person's correct format of email. So you can see how easy and simple it is. So the next one we're going to go into is proper case. Now everything is in lowercase right here, so we want to change them to proper case. You don't have to type everything out, just type for the first one. The second one is going to give you everything you want. Just hit enter and you're good to go. Now is this what you have to do? Hit enter, then here we go, hit enter. You've got things all right. Now this is all we need here is the initial. What is the initial? Which is the first letter, the last letter is what we need to get out here as the initial of these very names. So what we need to do is just to type this out, then come here, type this, hit it, and you get the initial out. Now the last one, we need to get the year out of the date. So very easy, the way we used to do it, just type the year, hit enter, and type this, hit enter. That is all about it. Thank you for watching. It's a very great way of doing things, and it's going to be like very easy if you like go and practice and do some silent things about all this. You're gonna like, oh, it's how easy it is to just actually do something. Though mind you, concatenation is different and it has its own value. Should you need concatenation, please concatenate, don't use flash fill. And if you need flash fill, don't even bother yourself to use concatenation. Just know when it is right to use which. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial, and please do subscribe. Ding, ding, ding.